Hi everyone, welcome to Share classes. Today in this video, how to draw bisector of any angle in easy way. So please watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw an angle. So drawing here two line segment of any length. So drawing another line segment from this same point by this way. Okay, next marking here arrow mark and here also an arrow mark and labeling here point O and taking point here A and marking here point B. So this is the required angle AOB. Next, draw bisector of this angle with the help of compass. So putting the compass on the point O and taking any radius. So first drawing here an arc. Perfect. Now putting the compass here and taking same radius and draw here an arc again with same radius and putting the compass here and cut here. Okay, next joining this, and this is the bisector of the angle AOB. So marking here arrow mark and taking a point here C. So OC is the bisector of the angle AOB. So therefore angle AOC, this is equal with angle BOC. So that's all. Thanks for watching.